What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. This is your boy Jay Reed for Jay Reed's Love of Cars. So I'm out here today fixing to clean up some decapped injectors that I got from the junkyard. These are going to go into the Civic. We got the Icy Ice. We got this shitbox Civic over there. Ooh, that hood blew up and busted my window. That's a whole nother story. But here's what I'm doing right now. We got some decapped injectors that I got from the junkyard for the Honda Civic. These come off of an LS truck out of a 5.3 Tahoe. So when I say 5.3, a 5.3 liter Tahoe, we are going to use these in the Civic and make some more boost. Now, this is contraption that I made. It's pretty much like a cleaner. I made this out of a valve stem, drilled a little hole into the valve cap so it's sealed up real good. Got it going through some carb cleaner and got a clip on here with some electricals. And then we got my battery charger that I'm using as a 12-volt power source to clean out these jets. And I'm gonna show you what I'm talking about right here. So here's what I'm doing. We gotta connect a wire. Any wire will do. Then you connect the other one, just kind of tap it a little bit. Boop, boop, get that pulse going. We got no pulse going. It's probably a better way I can do this. What happened to my pulse? This one is shit. Ooh, we got a dead injector. Let's see. No power to the injector. Folks, I think we got a dud. Let's try this again. Switch wires though. Yep, we got a dud. Let's try another one. All right, let's try another one. I got about 11 of these. So, and all I really need is 4. First, let's test it before I go through the trouble of hooking all of that up. Put that down there like that. Yep, that one works. I don't know why that other one don't work. That sucks ass, because I already had decapped that one. Now I gotta decap another one. I think I decapped 5 though, maybe. But I didn't want to use the one that I have in my hand now, because we got that in there. I thought we had it in there. You gotta put it on there real good, because essentially what you're doing is kind of sealing all of this up. So you won't be spraying everything in your house down. Okay. Let's get that in there. Give me the blues. Give me the blues. Raise that up a little bit. I don't know if y'all gonna be able to see the string. Okay, press down. Ooh. Ooh. We cleaning. Ooh. Turn that over a little. Cleaning my car. The car clean. Ooh. That spray pattern is tremendous. Okay, so we'll call that one good. All right, we got one more. I'm popping. Hopefully this one works. Yup. Nope. Yup. Woo, what a spray pattern. Run that through there. Ooh. All right, fam, so that's it for this video. We just wanted to clean some injectors. It's cold as hell out here, like 28 degrees. I need to go in the house. Need to put this battery charger back on the vet. Like, comment, and subscribe. Peace.